Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to create an authentication system in Laravel. So first of all we are going to use SQLite instead of MySQL, which is really easy to set up. Just type in SQLite here and then we go inside our database file folder and create a file called database.sqlite. Now in case you want to enable something else, you can go into the configuration file, database, and you can go into SQLite and change the name here. We are just gonna go with database.sqlite because it's a logical name to use for this project. And then when you've done this, we need to run php artisan make auth. This will then generate a migration file here. And inside the migration file we're going to add another field. We're going to add country, which is going to be nullable. And then we are going to go inside our user model, going to add in country so we can fill it in. And then we are going to go inside our resources, views, authentication, and register. And up here in the top we're going to copy and paste the name field here, and then we're going to add country. Now in this case I don't want to type in every country in the world because it would simply just take too long. Instead we are going to just make a custom field where you can insert your own country yourself. Now again, I would recommend you, if this was a real website you're going to make, you're going to put online, I would recommend you to Google every country in HTML, and then you'll be able to find it, something like that. And by doing that you will actually be able to make it look more user friendly. So we are going to change all of those with the value name in it to country. Same here. So this allows us to display the error if there's any errors to country. It will allow us to add in the information to the database as well. Okay, so now that we have done this, we can then run php artisan migrate, then php artisan serve. Then we can go in here, create a new user, and then we can actually go in here and create a user now. And just to show you that this works actually, we can even go in and add even more info. We can go in and say hello world, or we can go inside our navigation bar. Then we can just go and change this to country. Or email. We can log out and then we can go in and log in. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, click the like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comments section below.